Everybody, how's it going? It's week 7 football. Football. Right. Our NFL algorithm is on fire, and we have. It was on fire, and it's still on fire. I have reviewed everything, and I want to talk about some games as well as, taking it easy on a weekend when it's nice weather in New England. Go. Whatever. All right. Here's what I found. Hopefully you're looking on KenBraverman.com at the image of all the NFL algorithm games that it's put out. There's a few things that I went over that I really saw were interesting. One is that Atlanta's price is not that great. Oh, it's really Carolina, actually. Carolina is the team that has tremendous odds against New Orleans. There's a few teams that have had some people with COVID-19 diagnosis. They're the Patriots. They are the Saints, had Emmanuel Sanders, and I believe it was, I'm not sure, it was like Denver or somebody else. People have been coming down with it, and Tennessee. Those teams have had trouble after they've been diagnosed with it. So you got to watch out for a team like New Orleans, who hasn't been playing that well. Drew Brees is not playing that well. Carolina's line is great. I think you want to take Carolina plus the points there. You'll also want to take Pittsburgh. Looks good. What else is on there? Oh yeah, take the over in the Skins-Dallas game because it doesn't really know who's going to win that game, but there's definitely going to be a lot of points because there's not going to be a lot of defense going on, doesn't look like. So that's the big one, is over 45. And anything else, I'll probably write in the comments below. It's a gorgeous day. You should go out, get some sun if you can, wherever you are. Be happy with your loved ones. And good luck to... I think take Cincinnati plus the points tomorrow as well. But I'll make more comments below and post an update when the injury report's finalized, because I did some really cool things with the injury report, and I want to talk about that in the future. So anyway, good luck, everybody.